Some updates from Afghanistan. The race to exit Afghanistan is now picking up steam. The United States is accelerating the end to its longest war. And some reports even suggest that the troop withdrawal could be completed by July 4th. According to several reports and officials, US troops and their NATO allies intend to be out of Afghanistan by early to mid-July. This is well ahead of President Joe Biden's September 11th deadline. Currently, there are about 2,500 US troops in Afghanistan. US military estimates that it has completed up to a quarter of its pullout already, and the military has also handed more than 5 facilities to the Afghan Defense Ministry already. Now, according to Afghan media reports, the US is all set to hand over the Bagram airbase, its biggest airbase in Afghanistan as of now, and reports state that it will be handed over to Afghan forces in the next 2 weeks. The Pentagon chief, Lloyd Austin, even told US Congress that America's troop withdrawal from Afghanistan is slightly ahead of schedule.
And speaking of our partners, I know Afghanistan is on the top of your mind. As you know, the president directed us to withdraw our forces by early September, and I can report to you today that the retrograde is proceeding on pace, indeed slightly ahead of it. We accomplished the mission for which our troops were sent to Afghanistan, and I'm very proud of that. I'm also very proud of the brave men and women who made it possible and those who gave their lives for that mission.
The earlier deadline of 11 September was a crucial date, 20 years after the deadly 9/11 attacks. But it looks like Biden has a different date on his mind now, the 4th of July, that is the day commemorating the US independence. The American-led war in Afghanistan has been won and lost several times over the last 20 years. Nearly 2,400 American troops have died in Afghanistan. The conflict has cost about $2 trillion. House Democrats have praised the withdrawal, even as Republicans said it would risk American security. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.